Welcome back to my channel. Our today's recipe is harissa. While cooking a Kashmiri harissa might seem like a Herculean task, considering the fact that it takes around 12 hours to cook and has to be kept overnight before consumption, we can assure you that the result is totally worth the effort. With the meat drowning in the flavors all night, the end result is a hearty and fragrant dish that Kashmiri loves to serve at family brunches. Here the best way to nail the harissa. So let's get started. We will need whole wheat. Wash and soak for 2 to 3 hours. After 2 to 3 hours, we will add a little basmati rice and soak for 1 more hour. After 1 hour, we'll make a paste of these two. Using little water, grind it to a fine paste. Here we have garam masalas, fennel seed, black cardamom, cinnamon stick, green cardamom, black pepper, mutton with bones and 1 onion. Put it in a pressure cooker, whole masala, meat and little water. We'll add ginger and garlic paste, little salt and pressure cook it for 1 to 2 hours on a medium flame. We'll make sure that the meat are tender and soft. Remove garam masala from stock. We'll discard this garam masala. This is onion. Now discard bones from the meat. Now after removing bones from the meat, mash it using hands and add this meat into the stock. Now add wheat and rice paste into it, stirring continuously to prevent any lumps from being formed. Mash the cooked meat. In a fry pan, we'll fry 2 onions till crispy and golden brown and set it aside. Now when the brew starts getting thick, add salt if needed and transfer this brew into fry pan where we have fried onions and keep stirring continuously. Cook over low heat while stirring continuously for 15 to 16 minutes till the brew gets thick. Add fried onions. Do not add full, add only half of it and keep stirring continuously. Add ghee, 2 tablespoons of ghee and stir again. Here I have milk and rose water. We'll add into the brew and cook again on a medium flame. Set it aside overnight. Let it rest overnight. Next morning, reheat the stew and add 4 tablespoons of ghee. Add fried onions, green chili, lemon juice, and serve hot. Harissa is a very popular meat preparation which is made for breakfast. It is usually slow cooked for many hours with spices and yes, hand stirred for hours and hours. Harissa is the most preferred delicacy in winter in Srinagar. Please try out my recipe and give me your feedback in a comment section below. Till then, keep watching cooktube raunak. Thanks for watching.